Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and we are in the next challenge of the data week. Okay, global hack week. So we completed the first challenge, that is sign up a Snowflake account. If you have not seen, just watch the video. We are coming to the next challenge after it, that is downloading a free Snowflake dataset. So just click on it, and now from here just right click and open on a new tab. Now from here you have to simply click on any of these one free dataset. For example, I'm just clicking on it. Now click on get and just select it. Means if you don't have account, just create an account by watching this video and move ahead. So now we have successfully joined it. Now we have to enter the username and password and simply click on sign in after that. Now from here just click on get. So if it is not working, just do one more thing, open on a new tab again. And just select anyone, like we are selecting this one, and let's see whether it works or not. So it's asking we are not enabled for collaboration, so let's fix it. Let's review and acknowledge. Then again review it also. So I am doing it because most of you may face some issue, so we are doing it to help all of you. So I think it will work. Let me just see. Open a new data set again. Click on anyone. So yes, now it is working. Just click on get and just get the data set. Now finally you can see we have got the data set. Now just click on query data. It is opened, simply just run it. Okay, so do not worry if you are getting error. You can just take the screenshot of this page. And just download it to your local system. Once you have downloaded, come back to the challenge and just go to submit your project. From here, just upload the image. And you can simply submit it. If you want to fill, you can just fill it also, but it is not required, only the image is required. So we are just submitting the challenge over here. So it will take some time to get uploaded. If it shows error, just retry again. And finally it is submitted. Okay, so we have submitted the next challenge. Now the next challenge, we have to just come back over here, and for the next challenge just check out the video in this playlist. Thank you, have a great day ahead.